Hola mi gente, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean and this is We Are Investing, a channel that's dedicated in investing and personal finance. On this video, we're going to go over news that I think can send PayPal soaring. We're going to go over two things in particular. And both of these things, in my personal opinion, are extremely bullish for PayPal stock. Now, quick disclaimer, I am invested in PayPal. I am an investor in this company because I do believe in it long term. Because basically, the way I look at it, PayPal is a leader in what they do. And this sector, even though there's more competition than before, is going to grow. There's a lot of tailwinds. It's the way business is being conducted. And I think PayPal is well positioned. In addition, if we see a ton of inflation, which we are, PayPal is going to benefit from that because they just make money off of fees. So the more things cost, the more money PayPal is going to be making. And that's a great sound for an investor. I love hearing cha-ching. So with that being said, before we dive into the news and talk about this great company, in my personal opinion, please consider hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell, and smashing that like button. Also, if you're looking for a great brokerage, join WEBULL. It's one of the best ones out there. And right now, when you sign up with that exclusive link that I have down below in the video description, you will get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. It really helps the channel grow, and I do appreciate it. All right, the big moment you have all been waiting for. What's the big news with PayPal stocks? Give me the deets, Sean. Well, the deets are that PayPal will potentially be listed in the financial sector of the S&P 500. Now you might be saying, what does that even mean and why is that bullish for PayPal? Well, come February, if they make the decision to convert PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and some others over to the financial sector of the S&P 500, then they're going to be listed in those ETFs. ETFs? What are you talking about ETFs for? I'm invested in PayPal. Well, being listed in these ETFs will increase the net flow to this stock. And it is my personal opinion that the financial sector is going to be one of the best sectors in 2022. The reason being why I believe that is because it's my gut feeling and I just go with my gut. It's because of the Federal Reserve and what they're going to be doing. If you're not aware, the Federal Reserve right now is buying a ton of bonds, and that's keeping bond yields down. When bond yields rise, the financial sector typically rise with it. In addition to that, we could see some rate hikes from the Fed in 2022. CNBC just recently said that they're going to see 3 rate hikes in 2022. Now, this is music to the ears if you are invested in the financial sector, because both of those things are going to increase revenues for those companies. And therefore, people are going to invest in this sector and play that news and play that momentum and play that strength. The more people focus in on the financial sector, if PayPal is included in that sector, the more people that invest in ETFs like the XLF, more money is going to be going to PayPal. And PayPal will be a big weighting of those ETFs because of the market cap of the company. So this sets up PayPal really well because I think 2022, if they do go to the financial sector ETFs, I think that's going to be a great year and you're going to see a lot of flows into those ETFs. So that is very, very bullish for this company if you're willing to hold it throughout the year. The other news that can drive this stock further, and this is fundamental to the business, is Venmo and Amazon. In 2022, you're going to be able to buy products on Amazon through Venmo. And Venmo is owned by PayPal. So what we're probably going to see, if this works out well, is you're going to see a bunch of transactions through Venmo on Amazon. That's good for Amazon and that's really good for PayPal as well. Because of those transactions, PayPal is going to make money because they have fees and they make money when people buy stuff through transactions. So it doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand how this can increase the top and bottom line for the company. It is also a huge partnership that can bring more users to the platform, and that is better for the company. So for those 2 reasons that I stated in this video, I think that 2022 can be a really good year for PayPal. In addition, when you take a look at the charts and you take a look at how much the stock has fallen from the highs, and you consider revenue growth, the inflation hedge, and all of the good things going for PayPal right now, I think there's a lot of potential in this stock. And that's why I personally am invested in PayPal. But let me know down below in the comment section what you think about this company. Do you like PayPal? Do you not like PayPal? Are you invested in it? Are you trading it? Let me know in the comment section down below. But with all that being said, that wraps it up for this video. Join our Patreon. It will give you access to a private Discord server. It will give you access to weekly reports. It will give you access to valuation spreadsheets, and it will give you access to weekly meetups as well. It's $5 a month. A link to the Patreon is provided down below. I'll catch you all on the next video. It's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. And this is We Are Investing, and together we are invincible. See ya!